My name is Chareese Payne, and I came in about 4 weeks ago with heart palpitations, no sleeping, numbness in my toes and my pinky, really feeling stressed now. So it's been 4 weeks and I don't have any numbness in my fingers, my toes, no heart palpitations or feeling extra skipped beats in my heart. I've been feeling, I dream when I sleep, and I haven't had that for a long time, very long time. I can't remember.
How many years would you say?
Oh gosh, probably, I don't know, probably between 5 and 10.
Long time.
Yeah, long time.
So that tells you about the quality of your sleep you're having?
Yeah, and I feel more calm, like definitely less stressed.
Yeah.
In normal situations before I would probably get really upset, but now I just don't.
Yeah.
So
how's that paid off for your family, for yourself, for your kids? How do you see that?
Well, I think they see a change in me, as far as being not so crabby and just feeling better all around.
Yeah.
I think they're happy about it.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Well, thank you for sharing.
Yeah, thanks.
My name is Diane. I, due to some stressful situations in my life, I started experiencing arrhythmia. It came on with Flexeril, which I discontinued taking, but that initiated a rapid heartbeat, short of breath, nausea. I felt very unstable. Any exertion at all, I was breathing heavily. For about 3 weeks, my heart was out of rhythm all the time. It would be maybe 40 seconds, and I would notice on my wrist it was fine. Then right away it would be skipping beats again, and with just one session with Dr. Diane, I returned to pretty much normal, what I was before. Not that I'm 100% healthy, but I'm so much healthier.
Yeah. What percent would you say is better even after the first treatment?
90+%.
Mm-hmm. So just a giant step forward.
Oh, huge.
Like
huge.
amazing. Yeah.
Yeah.
So then we also are going to look at what nutrition that's going to help strengthen you and help you heal.
Exactly. And I'm very happy about that because I am aware that my heart is not as healthy as it should be. I've always been very active, but I know my heart is not in the condition I want it to be.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm taking supplements. I'm very happy about that.
Fantastic.
It's all been great.
Awesome. Well, thank you for sharing.
You're
Hope this can help someone else out there.
I do hope it can help anyone. It's got to. I'm in my 70s and I want to be a healthy old lady as long as I can be.
Okay. Excellent. Thank you. So go ahead.
Okay. My name is Joan, and I have been here maybe about 2.5, close to 3 weeks, and I have already seen an improvement. Even in the last week, I was able to go out into my garden that I haven't been able to do for about a year, or had no desire to do it, and I feel like that I have more strength, and I was able to really work in my garden. Maybe I had some sore muscles after it, but that has all cleared up now too. But I just really feel that over a period of this time that things are really producing and improving each time that I'm here. And I really haven't noticed that I've been out of breath like I used to be. And I'm taking things cautiously, but I am very encouraged, and I am happy that I've gotten this far.
The being out of breath, that was happening just to any kind of...
Yes, any walking. I could not walk very far. In my home I could, but as far as walking any distance outside, and I really kind of had a cane with me for security, just to keep balance and everything. And I have been able to go without that for a short distance now, and hopefully I can not have to use it at all, but time will tell.
Okay, very good.
What were you able to do that you weren't able to do before? So what was the thing that you're able to do?
Well, when I would get out to walk any distance, I would have to take my cane with me. I maybe had to walk just a short distance, and then I'd have to stop to get, because I was shortness of breath. Just stop for a little bit, and then I would carry on. But yesterday I was able to get out of my car and walk the parking lot and go into my church. That's where I was going,
Yeah.
and did not have to
He said you
stop for shortness of breath at all.
said you could walk all the way to the back of the church, everything,
That's right.
without shortness of breath.
That's right.
Yeah. And how many years has it been?
Well, it's been at least 6 years, because I was diagnosed with AFib 6 years ago, and it was even before that. And so it's been a long time,
Yeah.
and to think this has all happened in 3 weeks today.
Yeah. And then what's different about you and working outside now?
It's just a delight, because I have been encouraged to get out and work in my gardens, my flower gardens. Last year, I just didn't even have any desire to go out. I couldn't do it. In fact, I was shortness of breath and even bending over and trying to do anything.
Yeah.
I just could not do it. But
It's really
today,
discouraging
yes,
when
and
that's happening.
This week, I've been out, and even last week I was out a day, and just was so excited that I was able to be outside and working in my gardens again.
Mm-hmm. How do you feel? Like you have a new lease on life? Is that how
Oh, tremendous, I tell you. There was a time in my life that I thought for sure it was going to be the end. I just didn't have any desire to carry on. And like I said today, that I feel like I have new life, and I feel like that I'm just a new person. And I'm so excited about what is happening.
Yeah.
Um,
What does your husband say about this?
He's excited. I think he's just as excited as I am. Not that I've been a complainer, never have been really a complainer, but he has watched, and knowing how discouraged and how I have been feeling for the last few years, and I think he's
Yeah.
just excited to see what's happening.
And
I know he's excited.
Yeah, he's the one who brought you in here too.
Right. He's
Yeah.
the one that told me that this is where I should be going. After a report from the cardiologist saying that only 2 options I had was to up my medication or to have another cardioversion, and that was even a thing to be sure of, because he said he couldn't guarantee that it would stay, my heart would stay in a regular beat.
Mm-hmm.
And so this was the alternative that I decided,
Yeah.
or my husband and I decided that we should do.
And it has been, you've noticed, because you had a check 2 days after we started care,
That's right.
and it's been good since.
That's right.
Yeah. And you can just feel it.
I
Right.
can feel it. Right.
Just be able, like, all the activities you're able to do, everything.
Right.
So
Exactly.
awesome. Well, thank you for sharing. Yeah. Any advice for anyone else who has?
I said if you have a report that you just don't want to live with, or is try an alternative, and doing it the healthy way, I would encourage anyone to try to get off of their medication if possible. That's what I'm trying to do, is to get off all prescription drugs and to do it a healthy way.
Yeah. Okay. Well, thank you.